How to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Start menu and then search for Device Manager. Launch your Device Manager. After that, go to Monitors. Double click on it and your second monitor as well as your main monitor will appear over here. Simply right click on your second monitor and then update the driver for it. Now, what you can also do is simply uninstall the device for some time and then reinstall it back. Or you can simply disable the first monitor and then only run the second monitor if you are okay with it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.